stars.
Compare previous styles. We designed these little ones. Variety of styles. It would fit in a book. It has two sides. Create gameplay with pipes. It can exercise children's hands-on ability. Use children's imagination. Cultivate children's creativity. A pair of eyes. You can create all kinds of expressions. More ideas for you to discover.